Let's talk about rates of reaction. Why are some reactions faster than others? Please look at the picture. On the picture, there's a car bombed with another car, and with the sufficient energy, they can have a good reaction or a good interaction. So actually, it's the same with the particles. The particles with the sufficient energy and with the right direction, they can make a reaction with another particle. So we can like observe their rate of reaction. What does rate of reaction means? The speed of different chemical reaction varies hugely. Some reactions are very fast and others are very slow. The speed of reaction is called the rate of reaction. So you can see on the picture, we have the example of slow reaction that is roasting, and then the fast reaction that is baking, and an explosion for the very fast reaction. Yeah, so reactions, particles, and collisions is important. So reaction takes place when particles collide with a certain amount of energy. The minimum amount of energy needed for the particles to react is called the activation energy and is different for each reaction. The rate of reaction depends on two things. The first is the frequency of the collision between particles, and the second is the energy with which particles collide. If particles collide with less energy than the activation energy, they will not react. The particle will just bounce off each other. Okay, so that's the explanation about the rate of reaction. There's a lot of factors that affected the rate of reaction. One of it is concentration. I want you to look at these pictures. Okay. The higher the concentration of a dissolved reactant, the faster the rate of reaction. Are you agree with that? Why does increased concentration increase the rate of reaction? Please look at the pictures. At the higher concentration, there are more particles in the same amount of space. See? In lower concentration, we only have four particles, but in higher concentration, we have a lot. This means that the particles are more likely to collide and therefore more likely to react. So that's the explanation. So if we count the total of collision in the low concentration is around 44, but in the high concentration we have around 264. See, it's very different. So yes, it's about the concentration.